Welcome to the Sampling Protocol Form Report tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to generate a Sampling Protocol Form Report, which combines a ground cover, frequency, dry weight rank, and fetch methods from one event into a single report.
To run a form report, open a site, then select the Log tab. In the Log tab, you will see all of the events when data collection has occurred. Select the plus sign next to the desired event, then highlight the form name. Select the Reports button at the top of the site window, then Form Reports. The Report Options window will open. You can choose an alternate title for your report instead of the default title. There are several display options for the report. This includes displaying alternate ground cover category names, common names, alternate common names, and species groups. Please see the various list tutorials for more information. If these options will be used for future reporting, select Save as Defaults.
Select Run Report. The Report Preview window will open. For more information on report presentation and modification, please see the Reporting Options tutorial.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.